Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Creating a website with great looks and a robust marketing strategy to promote your products and services can cost a lot of time and money. In most cases, business owners have to hire many different tools and integrate them progressively to enhance their online stores. If you are interested in finding all the necessary tools in one application, you will love what this marketing solution has to offer. In today's video, we will talk about Constant Contact, an excellent marketing platform that provides many different tools and applications to increase client interaction and online store designs to create highly effective marketing campaigns. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Constant Contact. Constant Contact is an email marketing solution integrated with social media features, drag-and-drop editing to design great landing pages, and the possibility of managing all your communications with customers with email marketing applications. This product is an excellent choice for small and mid-sized businesses who need to implement their campaigns with no prior knowledge nor coding skills and create cost-effective marketing strategies to engage with clients successfully. With Constant Contact, you can implement astonishing designs to your online stores and turn your visitors into subscribers and clients. Using the Design Template feature, you can edit the layout of your stores with great-looking designs. You can also drive traffic to improve the results of your campaigns, with the opportunity of analyzing metrics and checking the performance of your marketing strategies. Depending on the objectives of your business, Constant Contact offers two different types of landing pages: lead generation and shoppable. On the one hand, lead generation landing pages collect your visitors' information when you implement a promotion or incentive. You can decide which type of information you are interested in collecting, such as name, email, birthday, and more. This type of landing page allows the insertion of your company logo and product description. Additionally, you can drive traffic to your site using RSVPs, contests and coupons, and many other features. Besides, you can promote your page on social media, track the performance of your campaigns, and set automated communications to stay connected to your visitors. On the other hand, shoppable landing pages help sell your products and services online. These pages provide essential tools to promote your services with payment and shipping options and interact with your potential customers through social media advertising and email. Additionally, you can track your results and revenue from your sales. In case you have any difficulties, you can always visit the Constant Contact Resource Center to visit and consult valuable information and tips on how to give more value to your store. When it comes to social media marketing, Constant Contact will help you drive traffic to your site, as well as grow your contact list. Constant Contact works alongside Facebook and Instagram to build awareness of your business, integrate your social media campaigns, identify and target audiences, and drive traffic and contacts to your Constant Contact account. Using your dashboard, you can maintain interactions with your customers by email marketing or social media posting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn to keep your audience engaged. You will save time managing both features from your account. You can target your audience by demographics, language, or behavior, so your posts will have a greater exposure rate. You can also track and analyze the performance of your campaigns and posts. And most important, your new contacts will be automatically exported to your Constant Contact account. If you want to take your campaigns to the next level, you should try the e-commerce Pro plan. This plan allows you to get qualified leads thanks to segmentation and prediction tools for your ads. In addition, you can sync the data of your customers, and the platform will generate the most appropriate segments to provide an excellent social media experience. You can make a combination of different predictive segments to have a deeper understanding of your customers, so your campaigns will hit directly to their interests. If you like what you hear about Constant Contact, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Once your campaign is set, let us talk now about how to make yourself visible in web browsers. As a significant number of people use Google as their preferred web browser, making yourself known can represent substantial advantages in your marketing efforts. With Constant Contact, you can create ads in Google that can deliver clicks and calls, paying only for the results you get. Additionally, you can manage keyword automation and performance. Also, you can retrieve your customers' information to support your campaigns with your email marketing strategy. This is how Constant Contact helps you work with Google Ads. In a matter of minutes, you can create text ads that appear in desktop and mobile Google searches. Then, Constant Contact automation tools optimize your ads with industry keywords to drive more qualified website traffic and get more return on your investment. You can link your Google Ads account and give your basic information along with your budget limit. Then, the platform helps you target your audience with industry-related keywords for your ads. This is a benefit from the intelligent Google Ad Engine, so you can manage and maximize your ROI. Finally, you can track and analyze your performance so you can modify and correct your strategy for better results. Now it is time to capture that customer information. Using dynamic sign-up forms, you can capture names and email addresses from your leads. This is possible thanks to the intuitive Constant Contact's form editor. Your forms will match your website look and will contribute to the conversion of your leads into customers. Additionally, you will access a range of form templates that include pop-ups, flyouts, and many more functionalities that will make your visitors stay connected to your site and continue with the conversion process. Not only that, the platform detects when a customer is about to leave, so it launches a pop-up message if they have not intended to purchase anything yet. Depending on your marketing funnel stage, you can maintain your interaction from a welcoming message to many others along the conversion journey, helping you achieve effective sales and subscriptions. Most importantly, all your forms will have secure coding to protect all sensitive data you collect. Suppose there are still many questions or difficulties with this feature. In that case, you can always count on the Constant Contact Advisor team, which you can reach by requesting a one-on-one session so you can receive valuable advice to implement in your campaign. Having all your marketing strategies supported by automated features represents a game changer in your promotions, giving you the chance to develop better and more attractive products and services to attract customers. With automation, you can make effective marketing strategies simple yet powerful. You can set and create messages and communications to keep your audience engaged since their first contact with your business. From a welcome message to a birthday note or a second chance email presentation in case they don't open your initial email. Automation helps you nurture your relationship with customers, adding more value to your relationship with them and leading to conversions. Now, automation would not be effective if you don't count on a set of integrated applications that will help you bring that high-quality experience. Constant Contact makes integrations very easy. Your account can be set to work with apps and partner services that will help you get the maximum result out of your marketing campaigns. If you like what you heard about Constant Contact, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our channel. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.